In this video, I'm going to show you how to close a file in CosmoLex. Now to do this, first you want to open your dashboard, then you want to go to the left here and click on Matters, and then inside Matters, you want to click on the matter you want to close. So I'm going to click on this tutorial sample one over here, and then you want to go to Settings, which is the last tab up here, and then from here scroll to the very bottom, and you'll find an option which is called Matter Status. So what you want to do here is uncheck it by clicking this toggle icon, go to the top and then click on the save button, and that's all you have to do. And as you can see, if you get this over here which says matter cannot be made inactive because there is an outstanding unbilled balance, if that happens to you, you first have to solve this issue. Of course, you have to kind of go ahead and of course change this, and when you've done that, when you've basically cleared this up, you can come back and you'll be able to then save it and close your file. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.